Check this out, you guys. So over the last couple of weeks, I've been using this little camera right here, the DJI Osmo Nano, and it is an absolute beast of a little camera. It records in 4K quality, and I have the 128 gigabyte camera, but this thing is, like I said, an absolute beast of a camera because it comes with its own little gadgets, and I like this one the best because I can install it to the top of my camera, and it's just a little clip thing, so you could just clip it on to the top portion of your hat. And the good thing about this camera is you could actually split it up into two different parts, and this is the little display, and this right here is the camera. So as y'all can see, I'm basically displaying with this one and recording with this one. Well, right now I'm not recording, but y'all can just see the little image that it shows. But let me just clip it onto the top portion. This little gadget has a magnet, and it also has two clips on the side, so it holds it on really sturdy. It won't fall off. Probably my hat will fall off before the camera falls off, but as y'all can see right here, I'm getting a little bit of a POV shot. The really cool thing about this is at events, I don't really like to record other people whenever I'm having conversations with them because it's a really big camera, and I honestly don't want to just be going up to people recording like that. So with this little camera, I'm going to be able to get these really cool POV shots, and hopefully y'all are going to enjoy them. But the other cool gadget that it comes with is this little necklace right here. With this little necklace, you could just get the little camera. Well, I'm just going to have to take it off from the top portion of the hat, and like I said, that magnet is really strong, so it's not going to come off. You have to basically press on these little pins on the side, and then you can pop it off. But really strong, so you have to really tug on that thing, and you just clip it onto the necklace just like so. I don't think you can put it the other way, but you could test it out for yourself and see if it works. But yeah, it hangs just like that, just like a necklace, and it just has like that chest POV shot. So yeah, if you want to get that different shot, you definitely can. And yeah, as you can see right here with the display, it just shows a little bit of a shot. I'm not sure if you're able to see that, but super duper cool. And the other gadget that this little DJI Nano came with is this little suction cup, which I can install to the windshield of my truck, because a lot of the times we're having really cool drives with the ATX Street Line Legends, and sometimes whenever I go out to Houston, or haven't gone out to Dallas, but sometimes whenever we're out at those big places and filming with these really cool cars, I want to get like a POV of myself whenever I'm filming the cars, because I want to talk to you guys, and sometimes I just can't because I'm busy recording the other cars. And with this little suction cup, I can install the Osmo Nano, and I can get just those shots that I want to always get. So yeah, hopefully with these new gadgets and the new camera, I'm able to get every shot that I'm able to miss out on. But yeah, now we're going to be able to capture them. Hopefully you're able to check out the camera with one of these links. I don't know if it's up here, or I know that it's for sure going to be down below in the description, unless I forget it, but I'm going to have it right up top on the description. Hopefully you check it out for yourselves. Be sure that you comment down below if you do get one, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.